welcome to the third module in our series. This is module 103, and this is all about what do we sell, what do we furnish our customers with when they buy a system from us. That's what we'll cover in this module, and we'll just dive right into it. Probably goes without saying that we supply LCDs. Probably should note that these are commercial LCDs. We don't sell LCDs like the ones that you buy at Best Buy or Walmart. We use commercial mounts. We don't get mounts off Amazon. We go to sources for the industry's best sort of solutions for different mounts. There's all different kinds, from mounts that support multiple displays to ceiling mounts to wall mounts that are fixed or tilt or even articulate. We have digital media players that manage the playout and storage of the content. So these are Daktronics built systems. Probably less exciting is the cables. We supply all the cables that are necessary to connect the systems based on whichever kind of application we're selling into. We sell Venus Control Suite, and we have install partners. Install partners as a critical component to the system as well. So we'll go through each of these a little bit deeper. LG, as I mentioned, is our preferred vendor for commercial LCD displays. They're all commercial grade. We have an option for WebOS, which is LG's operating system. We have a media player version that is software only, that installs on the display itself using the WebOS operating system. You'll hear that called the DWP, or the Daktronics Web Player. That's exciting capability that allows us to install a digital signage system with no external media player necessary. We use VCS and connect directly to the display via that DWP. They provide a great set of service and support resources and options. They work with us on extended warranties and allow for RMAs and service to be performed directly by LG. We don't service these displays in terms of repairs or anything like that. All of the liability for service or replacement repair is provided by LG as part of the warranty program for these displays. In terms of mounts, so I mentioned we sell mounts of all different types. Peerless AV is one of the leading mount manufacturers out there and is our preferred vendor for mounting solutions. They have everything from, like I mentioned, ceiling to articulating to wall mounts to, all different types of weights and sizes and things that suit all the different types of applications that we might want to have available for the applications that we sell. So that product line coverage, the width of their product line is quite impressive, and we have a lot of success working with them. They have stable pricing, lifetime warranty. So Peerless is our preferred vendor, and we've, like I said, had great success working with them. I mentioned the WebOS. That is LG's operating system that we use to drive our DWP, or our Daktronics Web Player. We have single channel HD type DMP players. So this is the DMP 8121, and that is a single channel entry level or lower range sort of media player that can support most simple digital signage, single screen digital signage applications. So the external media player would connect to the display and be mounted directly to the mount or to the wall behind the TV. And you've perhaps seen these digital signage installs where it's a very small form factor media player is mounted behind the screen and drives the content interfacing with VCS for the scheduling of that content. We have a 2-channel 8122. So this is a slightly larger device that can support dual channel HD or single channel ultra high def, so 4K, or 2 channels of HD content, and interfaces with Venus as well, and has all the same sort of performance dimensions that we look for with the additional playout of 4K signals or 2 channels of HD. I mentioned very soon we'll have a 4-channel device, so picture the 8122 with 2 additional channels of quad output HD, and we're aiming for 2 channels of ultra high def or 4K output from that device. So think of that as sort of the 4-channel big brother that would be supporting multi-channel things like digital menu systems or video walls that require not only more channels of output but additional processing horsepower as well. I know we're all interested in cables, and we provide the different lengths and different combinations of those cables to meet the requirements of each type of solution that we sell. I mentioned Venus Control Suite and the different options available. These are sort of just a quick overview of the tiers that we offer. These are relatively new, kind of less than a year out, and we're having good success with adoption of moving customers into these subscription packages. We have an LED version only for sort of LED on-prem. When you need to go to LCD networks or larger networks with multiple displays, then we start to get into select. Professional adds some capability options, and then enterprise is our highest level. Everything we build into VCS is available through enterprise. We will have locally installed package choices as well. We really do want to promote our cloud-based solution as the right solution for LCD type networks and larger deployments of screens. So I mentioned installation, and those are the critical partners for us. They provide project management support. They have their own install checklist. They provide installation support to us, and also we support them as well. So that's kind of a two-way street, as you might imagine with any partnership. To help that along, we've created pre-configured media players in understanding that we're trying to get to plug and play as close to that as we can, where a system is installed, not a whole lot of on-site changes or last-minute configurations are necessary, that the system arrives ready to perform as sold. So that's kind of an overview of the different components that make up a digital signage system, and hopefully you get a little bit better picture of how those components interact with each other. Appreciate everyone joining for this module. If you have additional questions, please feel free to reach out to project management or to training for suggestions on additional modules, or if maybe we can answer any questions that didn't get answered in this module. Thank you very much.